I once again use the machine probably 90% of the time, like through the yards. We clean out all the pens with it, do all the outside yards, re-gravelling, clean out, all that sort of thing. So the machine does a lot of work, once again in a very confined area. And I find the machine really good. It's direct, it's quick, and I find it quite easy to operate now. Yeah, and I just think it's a great machine for the job we use it for. Every morning, pre-starts, I do it on all the machinery. I find this one's quite simple. You've just got the hydraulic oil levels there, and you cool it, and everything's all over here. So, and just your dipstick for your engine oil, that sort of thing. And yeah, just probably grease twice a week. So it's, yeah, quite easy to maintain and work with.